on this side. Hello, hi. This is Amar from Mamarazi. My first question is for Karan, the director Karan. Uh, and I have one more question. So my question is, this film is, we have heard that the film is based on a book. So can you tell us more about it? And my second question is to Akshay sir and Karan sir. The film has also got an A certificate. What are your views on the same?
So yes, the film is based upon a book called The Case That Shook the Empire, which is written by the great-grandchildren of Shankaran Nair. And the book chronicles the courtroom battle. Everyone knows about the massacre, but people don't know that the empire went on an overdrive to build a narrative that the people at Jallianwala Bagh were armed and that they were terrorists. So the courtroom case debunks this whole narrative and holds the empire to account. So it is based on a book. The book has been beautifully written, which chronicles exactly beat by beat what happened in that courtroom case. And we are very lucky that we have this book with us. And it gave us a lot of research. It gave us the lot of right emotions behind it. And yes, and I hope we have done a wonderful adaptation of the book, which I'm hoping the audiences will like. Thank you.
And the second part of the question. The film has gotten an A certificate. What are your views on the same?
आपको कैसे पता चला आगे यू ए ओके अच्छा मुझे नहीं पता कि आप बाहर आ गई ये बात आई डिडंट नो अबाउट दिस बट आई प्रिज्यूम इट मस्ट बी देयर मस्ट बी फ्यू थिंग्स व्हिच they think it must be right and I take their decision and that's it इसमें क्या बोल सकते हैं
We absolutely respect the censor board, and I feel that they must have seen reason, and so we accepted the certificate absolutely immediately without any cuts. There were no cuts.
Akshay sir, hey, Akshay sir, hi, Vishal here, hi. You know, Kerala BJP chief Rajiv Chandrasekhar on Wednesday criticized the Congress party for allegedly erasing former party president Chatur Shankaran Nair from its history. Do you agree that Mr. Shankaran Nair hasn't received the credit he deserves? And Karan, do you think this film should now become government should declare this film as tax-free?
So the first question was with me, yes. Right? Yeah. See, I'm not a historian. I'm just an actor. What somebody is saying, what any politician is saying, I'm not going to get into that. I just made this film. I just want people to realize what happened. What according to the book we made it, whatever I understood, whatever जो कहानियाँ मैंने अपने पापा से सुनी, अपने डैडी से सुनी, उन्होंने अपने डैडी से सुनी, उस सब चीज़ों का ये amalgamation है, पूरा का पूरा ये पूरा बनाया हुआ है. और इसके ऊपर मैं ये किसी ने क्या बोला ये political चीज़ों, I don't want to get into it. Okay. Karan, he wants.
हाँ जी. I feel something that a film deserves will always come its way. So I believe if it has to get the tax-free status, that will only happen when people will see the deep impact and resonance of the material. The fact that it's such an honorable film, and it's such an honorable film with such an engaging narrative that you will watch it beat by beat at the edge of your seat. So I feel eventually जब होगा जो होगा वो फिल्म की नसीब में होगा और फिल्म की नसीब तब चमकेगी जब सबको फिल्म अच्छी लगेगी. तो उसके बाद अगर हमें टैक्स फ्री स्टेटस मिल जाए तो सर आंखों पर. But I feel like a film should get what it deserves, and I hope and pray that the film does.
Hello everyone. To your left. Right. Sorry. This is Pallavi from Pop Diaries, and my question is for Ananya. Ananya, you have been receiving massive praise for your recent roles, and now we see you in a very different light. So how has your journey been through Kesari? Like, it's completely very different from what you've done earlier. So how has your journey been with Kesari, and how did you do the role, and what was your perceptions about it?
So it's been a long journey. It's fair to say that.
When did I told you about the film
in 2021?
Yeah.
So it's been a long time since we've been making this film, and my journey has been very special. Honestly, when they came to me with this film and Karan spoke to me about this film, I couldn't imagine myself in the film. I was like, okay, how am I going to do this? It's going to be a big challenge. I've done a certain kind of role before, and I was really ready and excited actually to take on that challenge. And honestly, I'm a big big learner. I was a very keen student in school, so I was excited to be a part of something that is a part of history that we've, as I said before, we've heard about, but we've not properly understood. So actually, to sum it all up, even though it's been a long journey, and I learned Punjabi for the film, and I got to work with Akshay sir, who I'm a huge fan of. My dad has worked with him so much, and I was finally getting a chance to work with him. To sum it up, I'm actually just very proud to be a part of this film. You know, I watched it personally, and because we've been shooting for so much time, I didn't remember certain things. And then when I saw the film come together, I was like, this is a really strong, impactful film, and I'm just proud to be a part of it. That's the only feeling that I'm left with, and I hope that as Indians, when they watch the film, they also feel that pride.
And a bit of trivia, I have to say that there is one particular scene, and I won't tell you which one, no spoilers here. There's one particular scene that Ananya has shot 4 times.
Yeah.
Not because of her, because the scene kept evolving and changing. And just to show that the instinct of an artist is so strong that what is in the film is the very first time she shot it.
Yeah, the original
So
one.
the second, third, and fourth time was a little bit of her time that may have been wasted.
It's all right.
And we apologize. Yours too, you're in the scene.
Hello. Yeah, this is Rajiv here. Yeah. My question is for Karan. See, there is a very fierce performance, so to speak, from R. Madhavan, who's not here. Could you shed some light on what kind of character or role he's doing in the film?
Yeah. Oh, to Karan? To Karan.
Any
Karan, you take.
So Madhavan sir plays the role of the Crown's lawyer. So the Crown engaged the top lawyer of the country to take on Shankaran Nair, and we meet him at a time when he's drinking away his legacy, but the Crown energizes him, and then he proves to be the most capable adversary to Shankaran Nair. So he is canny as a fox, and he's very fierce. He will leave no stone unturned in defeating Shankaran Nair. For that, I urge you to see the film. Because his character deals with that dilemma.
अक्षय सर, आपके लिफ्ट में अमित फ्रॉम दैनिक भास्कर. या अक्षय सर, क्या मतलब सिनेमा में एज अ सॉफ्ट पावर इतनी ताकत है कि वो मतलब अंग्रेजी हुकूमत से वो अपील करवा सके, वो लोग हिंदुस्तानियों से माफ़ी मांग सकें?
नहीं, हमारी कोशिश तो रहनी चाहिए ना, चाहे वो कितनी सॉफ्ट पावर हो या कितनी हार्ड पावर हो, जो भी है, जैसा भी है, हमारी कोशिश है. जब मैं बहुत सारी और भी फिल्में बनाता हूँ, वो सिर्फ एक कोशिश रहती है. आज टॉयलेट भी ले लो, टॉयलेट एक प्रेम का था, वो कोशिश थी कि हर घर में एक शौचालय होना चाहिए. वो फिल्म आज भी सरकार कई जगहों पे, कई गांव में, कई जगह पे ये फिल्म फ्री दिखाती है. पैडमैन थी, सैनिटरी पैड के ऊपर फिल्म बनाई थी. वो एक पावर है कि एक बेटी अपने बाप से बात कर सकती है सैनिटरी पैड के बारे में, कि उसे कह सकती है कि पिताजी जब आते वक्त मेरे पीरियड शुरू हुए हैं, आप पैड्स ले आइएगा. ये तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, ऐसी चीज़ें हैं. तो इसमें भी मैं समझता हूँ, चाहे वो जितनी भी सॉफ्ट पावर हो, छोटी पावर हो, जो भी हो, ज़रूर ये होता है कहीं ना कहीं किसी को जाके कॉन्शियस में लग सकती है. हम वेट कर रहे हैं कि किसी को लगे ये बात. मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ. इन्होंने जनरल डायर का रोल प्ले किया है. इन्होंने मुझे एक बात कही थी, जब इनको भी सब पता चला, और इनको तो काफ़ी कुछ पता था जनरल डायर के बारे में, तो उन्होंने मुझे सिर्फ एक ही बात बोली थी, ही वॉज अ बीप होल, दैट्स इट. अब आप समझ लीजिए क्या बोला होगा. सो ऐसे मैं बताऊं, बहुत सारे अंग्रेज़ों को, इवन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट जेनिफर ऑल्सो, शी इज़ माई कोच, and like she's a British girl, and she knows about it. She's been there, so they all feel for it.
So Jennifer, when we were reading the script to her, she had tears in her eyes, and she had tears in her eyes, and she had tears of anguish that she didn't know that this is what happened. And on apology, I would like to say one thing. General Dyer fired upon innocent people, but what did the government, the crown, the empire do? They tried to protect him. They labeled the people as terrorists. So it was at a government level that everyone tried to protect him. So when the conversation of apology comes up, errors are made, but the government can never support and label innocent people as terrorists. So that needs to be rectified.
Definitely. And Akshay sir, ये किरदार कितना मतलब कितने दिन तक आपके साथ रह गया, या फिर नहीं मतलब बहुत जल्दी आप उससे मत बाहर निकल गए थे?
मतलब अभी रहेगा या
नहीं
आगे?
मतलब शूट के बाद या मतलब
शूट के बाद?
या जस्ट
शूट के बाद तो अभी तक चल ही रहा है। ऐसा नहीं है कि किरदार मैं कोई प्ले करता हूँ उसके बाद फिल्म रिलीज होने के बाद जो भी होता है उसके बाद भूल जाता हूँ। नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आज भी मेरे को मौका मिलता है, मैं बहुत सारी जो पुरानी फिल्में हैं मेरी उसके बारे में हमेशा गुफ्तगू करता हूँ, हमेशा बातें करता हूँ लोगों से।
And I'm sure ये किरदार सबके साथ भी रहने वाला है जब हम देखेंगे फिल्म को, लेकिन we'll take 2 more questions, ladies and gentlemen. जी, भारती।
Hello, hello.
जी, बोलो।
Yeah, Ananya here. Hi.
बोलो बिना बोधे। हाँ, थोड़ी आवाज वैसे ही बुलंद है, बोलो। बहुत सारी जो किताब हैगी है द मैन हु शुक द एम्पायर, वो किताब ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਇਸ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰੀਬਨ 2-2.5 ਸਾਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰੇ ਨੇ। I like my wife used to say get out to him, like please go away now। मतलब ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਆਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਅਮਰਿਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸਰ, ਉਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਜ, ਉਹ
प्रोड्यूसर और को-राइटर हम साथ
को-ਰਾਈਟਰ
में
ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਲੇ ਤੱਕ, ਅੱਜ ਉਹ ਵਿਚਾਰਾ ਸੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੁਣ। मैंने आज सवेरे तक जागे हुए सी एंड आई ट्राई टू आस्क हिम टू प्लीज कम, बट उन्हें कहा नहीं, मैं उन्होंने काफ़ी निंदर आई सी, पूरी रात काम कर रहे हले भी ते बस सॉरी well the whole thing is, the most surprising thing is the history don't tell us what we actually need to know. That was very surprising. And there are many things you yourself, all the people of India would be surprised at what exactly was happening. So everything was a surprise. Everything, the detail, every detail is being taken care of, and it is going to be a very surprising thing what was happening.
Yeah. Hello, Ananya here. Hi, hi. Huh?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं। हाँ जी। ग्रोक ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ AI ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਲਪ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ?
AI?
ਹਾਂ। ਹੱਲੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਭਾਜੀ, ਅਸੀਂ ਬਿਨਾ AI ਦੇ ਬਣਾ ਲਈ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ I think I say my director is more intelligent than AI.
Oh.
Okay, he has written it very beautifully as a screenplay, and ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸਾਂ, I want to tell everyone this is his first movie. I'm sure you know it. He by profession is a lawyer. Cambridge, right? Harvard. कोई भी है, गलती हो गई, सॉरी। Harvard
कैम्ब्रिज में ही है, मतलब उस जगह
तो मैं गलत नहीं बोलिया, फिर है क्यों हंसे? तो फिर ठीक है। Okay, so as you see, मतलब but he wanted to do this film first, and he gave up his profession. He wanted to be a director, and this first film he wanted to, उन्हें कहा सी कि मैं जलियांवाला बाग दे उत्ते पहली फिल्म बनाना चाहना।
और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा सर, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की बात करते हैं तो जब आप टर्मिनोलॉजी देख लो तो क्या कहता है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, लेकिन जो नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस है उससे कौन लड़ सकता है? आर्टिफिशियल तो आर्टिफिशियल ही रहेगा हमेशा।
Hello, hello. Yeah, Ananya, my hearty
So much of
congratulations.
stress for your next script now.
Yeah, Ananya, my hearty congratulations to you for having dared to deviate from your comfort zone and having done a sensitive role like this, because I have seen you right from your growing years, you know, from last 25 years. And
25 years he's been working?
yeah,
So you're 25.
yeah. Karan sir, this is yeah, here.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Coincidentally, 18th April happens to be Good Friday, where a religious tragedy is also observed, and it's a national holiday. So I would just like you to comment on this interesting coincidence that, you know, the film is being released on Good Friday.
Well, Good Friday, as you know, is a day that is lamented. But there was no synergy between trying to, you know, release on something that is lamented, you know, by anyone in this world. As producers, we are always looking for a Good Friday to release, and plus also the date was very close to commemorate the 106th
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 year
year
of the
of
massacre.
Jallianwala Bagh. So this was actually close to that date more than anything else.
Karan and Karan. Karan.
Hi,
Both
Bhakti.
Karans. Hi. Just a little question on Ram Madhwani. You recently made a web series called The Waking of a Nation, which was also based more or less on the same subject. So have you seen it, and do you feel there are similarities, and do you wish that hadn't come out before you did?
Ma'am, unfortunately, I haven't had the time to watch it, but I've heard great things about it.
Right.
And I feel the more stories, which bring out, the untold stories to light, more power to them.
Ram is a dear friend, and again, I haven't been able to actually see the show, but again, I've heard wonderful things. Whatever it takes to wake a nation, whether it's a show and a film or another show and a film, whatever it takes, the more the merrier, I think, where it comes to storytelling that are compelling storytellings of unsung heroes.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. That's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen.
Anybody
yeah,
else?
it's-
Bus? Khatam.